There are many companies out there that will allow you to go online, download a will, fill it out yourself, and be done with your estate planning process at a fraction of the cost at what you would pay an attorney to do so. Now, these services, they have a place in our society, but before you make the plunge and declare yourself an estate planning guru, here are a couple of things that you should take into consideration if you're thinking about putting together your own estate plan. Now, the first thing you want to take into consideration is that your situation is one of a kind. There are no set of facts, nor anyone I have ever put together an estate plan together for that had the exact same circumstances as another client. Now, that being the case, it may not be in your best interest, nor your family's best interest, to take a cookie-cutter, generic approach to your estate planning process. These one-size-fit-all documents that you'll find online will likely not take into account some of the scenarios that are present in your particular situation. Now, something else you'll want to take into consideration are if the documents that you're getting online are the right documents for you and your situation. Now, I've had many clients come in saying that all they need is a simple will. We sit down and reality sets in. They need much more than just a simple will. But let's just say that's all they want to do for the time being. One issue that arises time and time again is that many online forms do not meet the legal requirements for your specific state. Now, take for example, wills in Virginia require at least 2 witnesses for a will. I've had clients come to me with a form they found online that doesn't have this simple requirement met. If that is the case, then the document you are putting together carries no legal weight, and you likely end up in a situation that the document is not worth the paper that it's printed on. Lastly, you want to take into consideration the fact that you've got too much at stake not to get this right. Now ask yourself, why am I planning my estate to begin with? The answer usually boils down to the fact that you want to make sure your family is taken care of once you are gone, either mentally, physically, or both. Now, since that is the case, make the investment in you and your family's future to make sure you do it the right way with the help of a professional. Now, doing it yourself legal services have their place in today's online world. But before you make the leap, do not hesitate speaking to an expert whose goal is to help you achieve your estate planning desires.